Hello guys, welcome back to another video of Techavro. Hope you guys are having a great day. In this video I'm going to walk through how can you add nickname to your iPhone. So guys, to add nickname, click on settings, click the top of your Apple ID. Now here you can see the first option is personal information, click on it. And after clicking on that, here you can see the first option name, click on name. And after clicking on name, here you can see your first name, middle name and last name is here. You can just change your name from here. You can also change your name from settings. So just go to settings, go to general, click on about, and here you can see the first option name, click on it. And you can just change your mobile name here, just add your nickname. And that's how you can add nickname on iPhone. So guys, that's how you can do it. Hope you find this video helpful. If you have found this video helpful, then give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. Techavro. Thank you so much for watching the video.